Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, my friends. I am in Ljubljana and it is time for the third service on the Yamaha Tracer 9. This is gonna be at 20,000 kilometers. I am almost there. Here I am, like every year, at least once a year. And this is SMK Yamaha official shop, and let's see how it's gonna be this time. Like always, a lot of motorcycles are here. Let's see, guys, this time they are gonna change the spark plugs to oil filter, and we'll see what else. The service is done. 20,000 kilometers. They changed also the air filter. I have new spark plugs inside. The chain is looped, and I have just to ride it right now. First of all, I have to go to Refuel because I need some fuel, and then I will explain what happened. Let's go. There is no video, guys. I didn't film there. I'm gonna explain what happened. Nothing really unusual or unpleasant. I just didn't film for some reason, and you're gonna hear it very soon. Let me just put some fuel right now, because I have to do around 110 kilometers right now, and everything is cool. So the bike is serviced. They did a great job, just like always. I am satisfied. I just didn't film, so this is pretty much everything, and you're gonna hear why. I left the highway, and now I have time to explain a little bit more in detail what happened. So nothing really, let's say, unexpected for this time. We are in the first half of August, and there were quite a lot of motorcycles to service, to look at, and I was there at 9 o'clock. This was the time that I was expected to be there. I was in time, also 5 minutes earlier, so nothing wrong, but the owner just explained that they need time, and they need to work in peace, and they don't want to be disturbed, and I just understood that I am not really allowed to be present there, and even to be filming. So I just left, and overall they are doing a very good job. I am satisfied with the servicing and everything else too, but you know, I am a tough guy, and I am very interested in the motorcycles and also servicing and technical stuff and details, I would say, and I just like to be present, you know. This is my bike, this is something that I like, that I love, and I really don't get why I cannot be present, you know. I know that some things and some persons, some people, let's say, would like to work alone, to do it on their own, and it is not always, let's say, appropriate to be present and also to film, but you know, they should also understand me, because I am doing it with the whole heart. I mean, I am a hardcore motorcycle lover, and that's why I would really appreciate if I would be able to film it. But anyway, now the bike is serviced. It will reach 20,000 kilometers still today. I bought it in 2023, for those of you who are new right now and for the first time watching my video. This is Yamaha Tracer 9. I bought it in 2023. Now it has almost 20,000 kilometers, and I am taking it to the regular service every 10,000 kilometers, like I should, and everything works just fine. I am a satisfied owner, and I cannot really add anything to this. So what are my plans for the future? Maybe I can explain some things right now while I'm riding. I just returned from my Dolomites tour, northern Italy. It was a great tour, not so long, but still I enjoyed it every second there. It was really a nice experience. I also met some riders there, very nice ones. I also filmed some, let's say, spots, some conversation, and some interesting things. Everything you're gonna see on my channel. I hope that I will be able to edit everything till October. So in the autumn time, I hope everything will be already on my channel. Next, I am probably gonna start researching and thinking and organizing my next motorcycle tour that I plan for the next year. This is gonna be probably in the first half of July, just to avoid that very unpleasant heat that it's probably in the middle of July almost every year. So I am gonna plan it 15 days at least earlier for the next time, so for the next year. I'm not gonna reveal the destination right now because I am not completely sure, but I will go somewhere for at least 10 days, just like I was in Romania. Those of you who are interested in such trips, please check my trip to Romania series. I am quite sure that you are gonna have fun. Otherwise, everything is cool. The bike, it's working perfectly in my opinion. In 2 months time, I believe I am gonna do a long-term review of it. One more. You can check the first one that it's already on my channel after 12 22,000 kilometers I filmed the first long-term review of this machine, and I plan to do another one at 22,000 kilometers. So stay tuned, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. This is a bit shorter video, but anyways, thanks for watching, and do me a favor if you wish so. I really appreciate it, and subscribe, and till the next one. Thanks for watching.